Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your last session of your lesson number 14, Improvement in Food Resources. Children, in this particular lesson, we studied what are the different ways, what are the different technologies that are being incorporated in the field of agriculture so that government is able to supply food to each and every individual. It not just related about the quality of food, but it also emphasized on the quantity of food. So in this children lesson, we studied about how the food is obtained from agriculture, and children, the next topic was from animal husbandry. Today is the ninth part of the lesson, and children, we are going to study about the beekeeping. Now, in last 10 to 15 years, the production of honey has almost increased about 20 times in India. Now, why beekeeping is so important? Because it provides us a very good, a nutritious thing which is called as honey. I'm very much sure you all must be fond of having honey. Now, why has the consumption of honey increased so much in last few years? Children, honey also helps to improve immunity. Nowadays, in the TV, everywhere, or everything includes immunity. So, it's a natural immunity booster. Now, please remember, एक दिन honey खाने से कुछ नहीं होगा. Consumption of honey should be done on a regular basis. So honey contains some of the nutrients in very high amount. It contains antioxidants. It kills all the free radicals that are present in our body, which could be sometimes cause of cancer. It's safe for the diabetic patient. Of course, it contains lot of sugar, but this sugar is obtained from fruits, so it can be beneficial. It helps to reduce the blood pressure. It helps to reduce the cholesterol and thus keep our heart healthy. It promotes burn and wound healing. Next time when you get hurt, and next time अगर आप जल जाते हैं या आपको चोट लगती है छोटी सी हो तो try applying honey on it. Honey is a very good healer. Honey, children, in your winter days, you must have observed your mother giving you adrak ka ras and shahad. So honey can suppress cough. It's very good. Honey is very soothing for your throat. आपकी जो मसल्स हैं उनको बहुत सूदिंग इफेक्ट देता है. It's delicious. Yes, it's high in calories and it has a good amount of sugar. So if somebody is not well, so immediately you can just mix honey with some warm water and give. That person will be definitely perfect. Now, children, honey production. The act of rearing and raising and caring of honey bee on a very large scale so as to obtain honey and wax from them is called as apiculture. What are apiaries? Like we have studied about animal farm and so many things. Same way, what are apiaries? They are actually the bee farm. They are the places where bees are raised for their commercial honey production. So children, these are some of the apiaries. Mm, and this is how honey is being produced. So children, these are wooden box which are fitted in different places near a big trees where lot of flowers are available, and then uh, we are able to obtain a very high amount of honey. Now children, bee species, again there are some indigenous species and there are some exotic varieties. The indigenous varieties include Apis cerina indica, Apis dorsata, and Apis flora. These are the Indian bees. They also produce honey, children, but their honey production is very less, and ये काट देती है. इनका जो डंक होता है बहुत जोर के लगता है. But some of the exotic variety is Apis mellifera and Apis adamsoni, out of which Apis mellifera is being prepared on a very large scale because it usually doesn't bite. Apis mellifera is domesticated on India on a large basis because of the following advantages. It produces very high amount of honey. They reproduces very fast. They sting less, काटती नहीं है, and they stay in beehive for a very longer duration of time. So children, this is You can see in the picture how a bee collects the honey. It deposits the nectar in the comb, and once the comb is filled with the honey, the fresh honey is available for our consumption. Honey production. Children, the honey production is done by the honeybees, and in honeybees there are some three castes that are there. Queen bee is the supreme bee, drones are the smaller one, while workers are the one which are most active and they actually produce the honey. These are some of the honeybees normally found in India. और ये तो आपने देखा ही होगा. We are lucky to be in Mithapur because here you can see a variety of honeybee inside your home as well as outside your home. Now children, last is pasturage. What is meant by pasturage? Now children, the quality of honey is very much influenced by the quality of flower that are available for the nectar. It affects the quality and quantity of the honey because different flora produce different nectar and pollens of different type. The quality of honey depends on the following factor: pasturage or the kind of flower that are available for the bees to collect the nectar. The kind of flower available determines the taste. Now children, I am going to tell you about one very special type of honey which is available only in Jammu and Kashmir. You know, Jammu and Kashmir is a place which is most of the time covered with the snowfall. It is most of the time covered with the snow. Now children, when the snow melts, we can find a very special quality of flower there, and here you can see it in the picture. This flower is called as the kesar, and the male part of the flower is actually the kesar. So this flower of kesar, when honeybees go and suck the nectar that we obtain is slightly orangish in color, and it has got a very beautiful flora, fragrance and the taste. So this picture you can see kesar honey. Okay. So pasturage means the quality of flower that are available to the bees for their section of their nectar. Honey production. The management for high yield. For the production of honey on a commercial basis, Italian variety of bee, that is Apis mellifera, is commonly used throughout our country. It is gentle in nature, it has got honey, very high amount of honey production, and it is able to protect itself from the enemies. And children, it was all about lesson number 14. I hope you must have understood. I have covered 100% whatever topics are there as suggested by the NCERT. Children, fertilizers and manure. This topic is deleted, so I did not take that. So I hope you have understood. Now from tomorrow onwards, I'll be releasing worksheets. Please go through the worksheets. In case you do not understand anything, do ask me. Thank you, children.